We have all, am I being presumptuous in saying this? We all have, as little kids, have looked at little ants. We take the time to do that when we're kids. We look at little ants crawling around and lifting little boulders compared to their own size, yeah? And we marvel at how strong the ants are. Is there anyone in here who did not, as a child, stop and look at the ants and see them carrying little chunks of rock, and who did not marvel about how strong they seem to be? Who? Deprived childhood or something. Well, most of us have looked at such things, right? Let me ask you a question. How strong do you suppose that ant is? Strong or strong?
Strong.
For sure. Compared to what? Good point. Let's suppose this happens, gang. An elephant walks through this door. The elephant's going to start lifting up logs. A door over here, an ant walks through that's just as big as the elephant. A super ant. This super ant has been, I don't know how it's been done. Science fiction, okay? Scaled up. And it's scaled up so that ant, boom, 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 the same size as the elephant. Now they're going to have a contest to see who can lift the greater load. Who are you going to be betting on? Check your neighbor. Is there anyone in here who says, honey, the ant can't even do push-ups. The elephant is the one who's the strongest. Show of hands. All right, these are my people. These are the people who have read the book. The rest of you guys come in for a free lunch today, right? What's that thing all about, yeah? Come on. That ant couldn't make it. The legs are too skinny. Ants got skinny legs. Ever see a daddy long legs? You ever see a rhinoceros? An elephant? Humongous legs, very, very thick. Why? Because as things get scaled up and scaled up and scaled up, it turns out the thickness of the leg doesn't catch up with the bulk of the body. Let's see if we can understand these ideas with a simple example. Here's a cube. If I make this cube twice as big, how much heavier will it be? Now, we got to say, Hewitt, what do you mean by twice as big? Here's what I mean. Twice as tall, twice as wide, and twice as thick. How heavy will it be compared to now? Check your neighbor.